Okay, this is a quick video on how to make your laptop's Wi-Fi signal faster. So let's click on the start menu, type here control panel, and you'll find it in a list. So open control panel, so left click on it and it will open control panel. So here you need to here you can see view by category, so this should be selected, and click on network and internet. After that you need to click on network and sharing center, so click on it, and here you need to click on there should be clickable link Wi-Fi or internet. Click on it, and in new window you should click on properties. Click on properties tab. Okay, so here we need to click on configure. Once done, new window will be opened, and here we need to click on power management. In power management you should untick this, so enter. Okay, let's move to the next tab, advanced, and here you need to find in my case I don't have, but you need to have, if you have roaming aggressiveness, set value to enable and put number 1. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful for you.